I'm going to show you how to delete account in ClickUp. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your ClickUp app. Just click at the top bar of your app library and type in ClickUp. So it's right over here. Just go ahead and tap there. And once you're here, just need to look at the top right corner where you can see an avatar of your name. Just go ahead and tap there. Now you need to find the option of settings, which should be right below chat settings. Once you tap here, you just need to scroll all the way down till you find the option that says delete account. You also have the options of reset password and log out. Since we're trying to delete the account, just go ahead and tap there. It will lead you to this website of ClickUp and write down your word, email, and your password of ClickUp and log in. And through here, you would successfully be able to delete your account in ClickUp. I hope this video was really helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.